Shouldn't you be in bed?
Come on.
Son of the chief has his privileges.
Not for the chief, though.
To let go of.
Real sensitive, Hiccup. Nice name, by the way. Your name is Snotlout.
Exactly. It's a manly Viking name. Translates from the ancient texts as one who beateth the snot.
Shut up!
Well,
Hiccup already killed a Night Fury. So, is that like what? Disqualify him? Or...
Someone take down a Gronko like that?
I mean, I do it all the time, but how did you learn? Yo, there he is.
Hey, Hiccup!
You don't get to
Show him everything I taught you! You just disgraced yourself in front of the whole village. Why would we listen to you? Hiccup. Relax. It's okay. Huh? Where are you going?
You're gonna need something to help you hold on. Get ready. It's gonna be a long night.